So today we are going to discuss about logarithms. So before logarithms, I want to say, or I want to ask you something. And what is the relation between addition and subtraction, or what is the relation between multiplication and division? So my answer will be addition and subtraction are inverse of each other, and multiplication and division are also inverse of each other. Similarly, logarithm is also inverse of exponential. And what is exponential? I think you people know about exponentials. See, 2 raised to 3 is 8. 2 raised to 3 is 8. Means this 2 is called base. This 2 is called base. And this 3 is power, exponent, or indices. And this is my number. This is my number. This is my number. So base raised to any power gives us a number. Similarly, if I'm having one question to 2 raised to x is 8. Now I want to calculate this x. So 2 raised to what gives me 8. So for this is a very simple question. So what will you do? You will write 2 raised to 3. Base is similar. So simply you can write this x is equals to 3. Now if I will complicate this question and I will write like this, 2 raised to x is equals to 81. Now what will you do? Now you don't have any simple number like here 8 can be written as 2 raised to 23, but here you cannot write 2 raised to something for 81. So for this type of problems we are going to use logarithms. So see, what I will do, first of all, any positive number can be represented by two ways. One is exponential, and second is logarithmic. I'll use both. So any positive number, no negative, no zero, only positive numbers can be expressed as two ways, exponential and logarithmics. So see, now I'll take number 25. So here in exponential form, and here logarithmic form. So see, 25 can be written as 5 raised to 2. Simply we can write this. In this we don't have any problem because 5 raised to 2 is 25. Now using logarithms you can also write these things. 2 is equals to log base 5 25. See, I have used log for writing 25. See, and this can be read as log base 5 of 25 is 2. Now what is the meaning of this? Like, what power of 5 will give you 25. So we all know that 5 square is 25. So answer will be 25. I'll take another examples also. See, log 9, log base 9 of, log base 3 of 9. What is the answer? See, you should think in your mind, like how many times or what power of 3 will give me 9. So 3 raised to 2 will give me 9. So answer is 9, 2. Now again, log base root 3, 3. So what power of root 3 will give me 3? Answer is also 2. Again, log 9 root 3, log 9 root 3 base 3. What is the answer? So what power of 3 will give me 9 root 3? So I will write like this, log 3 square into 3 raised to 1 by 2 base 3, and log, I can write this like log 5 by 2 base 3. So my answer will be, see, 3 raised to 5 by 2. So my answer is 5 by 2. See, these are some examples explaining. These are some examples explaining log. Now I will generalize these things. See how? If I am having any number, C, which equals a raised to b. I am having a number C which is equals to a raised to b. C implies that, see what this sign means, I'll later on explain. I can write this, b is equals to log base a of C. This can be written like this also. And my condition is, see what I did, this A is base, this A is base, this is power, this is power, and this is my number, this is my number. So, and this is this can be read as log base A of C equals B, So this is base, this is my number, and this is power, So